Hello, I have here this motorhome for you. 115,000 euros, Adria Sonic SL Plus or Sonic Plus 700 SL. It's 749 centimeters in length, and I think it's quite attractive. Obviously, what's quite attractive or not is a matter of personal choice. At the back, it's got a German layout and comes with windows on either side and storage along the back. The storage will also find indirect lighting, and if I press push, it does open. It looks here as though there's a little bit of a ledge there, and for the lighting, I hope that is sufficient for those who want to store their hearing aids and other stuff up there. At the front also of the bedroom, one side, we've got this storage area. You've got a place to charge your phones from, and above here as well, I suppose, you've got a ledge there to put things in you might need at night, but there's not enough space to get many empty beer cans. Up here, we've got a large panoramic roof light, openable, winds open. And here, what's all that there for? We'll have to see in the washroom. You can lock it off, or shut it off anyway, via a wooden door. Below the bed, you've got drawers down here. And on this side, you'll find a very large wardrobe. Show you under the bed as well. There you can see this part of the bed that will move up. So the bed is in. It's got a foldable there, and here we can lift this up like that, giving access from the top. This very nice shower, two proper domestic size drainage points, place to sit down on if you want to sit down in the shower, and wide rain shower type appearance, and a bar at the top for hanging your clothes up, and a skylight. Excellent shower in my opinion. Practical as well. There's the toilet, and here there's the bulge in the bedroom. It's something to keep your toiletries in. And there's me in the mirror, so you can see how much space you've got. Also, you can get an idea of how big the shower is. Lots of space there also for storage. And open this up as well. Now, note there's a flat floor all the way back, and in the flat floor we will find, there's your battery compartment, and over here we will find something. There's the water tank. So that's where the water tank is on my vehicle as well, just next to the door. Convenient when you want to put water in. Here with 3 burners and sink, sensible shapes, oblongish shape. This one comes with a grill down here, and we have also the storage capacity down there as well, drawers. At the other side there is a tower fridge, place to hang up your coats and whatnot there, and more storage here. Lounge has this enormous table here, which I think is pretty useful. The panoramic front is particularly good, but one thing that really makes it above all good is this bed. Now, I'm not in favour of beds unless they're really needed. The idea of carrying a spare bed with you seems a bit of a waste of, getting on for 100 kilos of payload. But this one here is like what I would term more of a slimline bed. Like, for example, Niesmann Bischoff has, although it's not as good as the one Niesmann Bischoff. But it's really, it just doesn't seem to get into the way. It's integrated so nicely with the roof of the vehicle, and I really I like the design and style of that. Up there we've got yet another panoramic roof light, and storage over here, and in this corner we will also find that it has a door on the driver's side. This vehicle here is based on the Fiat Ducato, and over here more storage in the passenger side, and there's your television, and you can watch it in the driving and passengers chairs. And here we can find a place to put your sandals. Let's have a look on the outside. And large garage door and a bit of space there. I suppose they found a bit of space, didn't know what to do with it. That's always a good thing, to just leave it there and let the owner decide what they want with it. In here, a drawer. Right, now I have to say this, in my opinion, this is the best thing that Adria has ever produced. In my opinion. It's not even top of the range. There's things which cost far more, but I really appreciate this vehicle for the things I've just said. There's the door as well. Okay, if you want to complain about something, there's nowhere to hang your coat up on the door, but there is, as soon as you go inside, 2 locks on the door and a bin for you to hold the dog's lead in. Let's have a look in here. There you have your electric cable, goes in through there. Very nice vehicle. Yeah, I'll just show you on the rest of the stand here as well, because I suppose the Supersonic is the top of the range, and for this here you're looking at 166,000 euros. You know, quick look inside. I mean, it looks quite elegant. Well, maybe it depends. It depends. I suppose it's a matter of taste. What is elegant and what isn't. Hey, we'll have a look on this other one as well. This is a Super 890 LL. This thing here though is pretty long, and it's 172,000 euros to buy. Now the one we just saw, the first one, that's, you can put it on 3.5 ton basis, from 3.5 tons up to 4.4. No, I never really was a fan of Adria, but having seen these ones here, I think this is really nice. It's one of these companies which I think have upped their game in motorhomes. Then you've got some Adria campervans, which, quite honest, are no different from anything else. There's the compact, which I think I'd prefer the Rapido compact if it were up to me. But anyway, but this one here, this Sonic here, this is a pretty nice vehicle from Adria. So congratulations Adria for that, and thanks for watching.